Children, how are you all? Hope everybody are fine and safe. Children, in the previous video we have started lesson number 2 from English Kola. Did we started? Yes, we have completed lesson also. And today we are going to learn our grammar from term book. Grammar from our term book. See, let us see. Put a tick or a correct for or a wrong from each sentence. Means you have to give just marking, not a true or false. Okay, let us see first one. The koala is a mammal. Koala animals are mammals, no? Yes, koala animals are mammals. Koala sleeps all night. In the lesson, did koala sleeps all night? No, it used to be active all night, so it is wrong. The koala is a marsupial. All the animals which belongs to mammal are known as marsupials. So koala animals are marsupials. So you have to keep again correct. A baby koala is born blind. Yes, when the koala baby was born, it is blind or it is not blind? It is blind. So it is correct. Next, the koala has a black nose. See, let us see in the picture. Is it have black nose? Yes, it is having. So it is correct. Next. Koala eat the fruits of a trees. What did koala eats? కొలా ఏం తింటాయి అనుకున్నావు? అలాగే తినటానికి తినటానికి టీత్ ఎలా ఉంటాయని చెప్పుకున్నాము? ఇట్ ఈట్ ఓన్లీ leaves. Which leaves it eats? It eats leaves of which leaves? Eucalyptus leaves, is it? Yes, so it is wrong. Next, we have no koalas in our world now. Did we have koalas in our world right now? We are having, but very little and very few. That also they are saving and taking care very much. That's why the small amount of koalas are there in our world. Next, koala lives in the nest on the ground. Where did koala lives? Koala lives only on the tree, so it is wrong. Next, complete the sentence. Koala lives in. Where did koala lives? Let us see. Where did koala lives? It lives in Australia. Where did koala lives? Koala lives in Australia. Next, a koala looks like a. How did koala looks? Let us see. How did koala looks? It looks like a teddy bear. It looks like a teddy bear. The fur of a koala helps to. The thick fur helps to keep it warm and dry. Next, the koalas and the kangaroos are. The koalas and kangaroos are marsupials. Koalas and kangaroos are marsupials. Marsupials. See. Okay. Next, Roman number 3. Roman number 3. Choose the right answer from each question. What is the color of cauliflower? What is the color of cauliflower? Brown above and yellow down. Yellow above and brown down. Remember once in the lesson, or I'll show you the picture how it is. Brown above and yellow down. Next, how does a koala mother feeds its baby? On her milk, on eucalyptus leaves. On her milk. That's why it is known as mammal. All the mammals are known as marsupials. Where does a female koala have a pouch? On its back, on its underside. See, let us see. Underside. Backside unda, edurunda. Edur kada. So you have to write on its underside. How big a koala baby when it is born? As big as a bean, as big as an apple. Let us see this. Bean. It is only the size of bean. Next, what does a koala baby do when it is scared? It rides on its mother back. It hops into its mother's pouch. Koala baby ki భయం వేసినప్పుడు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది? Pouch లోకి వెళ్తుంది. How does a koala chew the leaves it's eating? With its flat teeth, with its sharp teeth. Flat teeth means మన teeth ఎలా ఉన్నాయి అలా. Sharp teeth means it is very sharp. Next, when does a koala come down to the ground to move to a new tree to have a rest from the night? When does it comes down? It comes down when it was hungry and there is no leaves in the tree, and for changing the tree it comes down. Otherwise all the koala animals lives on the trees only in the night also. See here picture. And in the night koala animals used to be very active. Koala animals used to be very active. It does not sleep in the night. It sleep in the daytime. Okay children, today's your homework is read and write page number 16 and 17. Okay, is it clear for you? Read and write page number 16 and 17. That's your homework. And from 4th class, nobody is keeping for me WhatsApp that when you have written cursive writing, nobody is sending a pic for me. Only 1 or 2. That also, if they are willing, they are sending. Otherwise, they are not sending at all. From next time, it should not be repeated. You should complete your work, no? So, write and send a pic for me. Okay, children, be safe at home, children. See you.